Abdurrahman Chima.
Assalamu alaikum. The greatest leaders are not necessarily who do the greatest things. Greatest leaders are the ones who make you do the greatest things. I stand before you all as a nominee for the head boy, and I am deeply honored for this opportunity to be in the Restaurant Council. I am reminded that leadership is not about individual success. It is about collective achievement. Before I get into anything else, मैंने क्लास में भी सवाल पूछा था. What do you guys think is a head boy? Can anyone get up on the seats and explain the head boy job? Anyone? So how do you guys think you guys can vote when you don't even know a head boy job? I'll explain to you. A head boy is a person who provides you opportunities. Opportunities for the things you're passionate about, such as sports, such as debates, such as sciences, such as entrepreneurship. Why do you need opportunities? Opportunities क्यों चाहिए? The main reason your parents send you to IGCSE levels and not metric is to end their financial burden. Over IGCSE and A levels में, if you get IGCSE में 7 A's, you can get 100% scholarship in A levels in Papa. ठीक है? And once you get into A levels, once you focus on your extracurriculars, when you focus on the things you're passionate about, अगर आप MBA कर रहे हो, लेकिन you're not passionate about it, कोई फायदा नहीं. कोई फायदा नहीं. If you're passionate about music, you're passionate about sciences, and you do those things, and you focus on the things you what your studies, and then this sciences and music with that, you will get scholarships. ठीक है? Everyone in this very room wants कि उनके parents का financial burden ना पड़े. ठीक है? Does everyone want that? कि उनके parents का financial burden ना पड़े? Anyone wants that? हाँ. ठीक है? We know कि पाकिस्तान में कुछ ही ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटीज हैं, LUMS, NUST and all, 2-3 ज़्यादा और ठीक है? लेकिन they take करोड़ों में. We need to understand that we can go to Bayern universities for free once we focus on our extracurriculars. We can get 120% scholarships. That will be, our flights will be free, our food will be free, our partners will be free, our studies will be free. And for that, हमें opportunities चाहिए. We need opportunities for sports, we need opportunities for sciences, we need opportunities for business, and all the things we are passionate about. That is the simplest example of our effort. Why am I the best nominee here? Is the real question. मैं इस स्कूल से पिछले 12 साल से, and I know the ins and outs of the school. I have taken part in every single opportunity जो school ने provide की है. Whether it be being the director of logistics at Pretty Fest, director of logistics at Dance Science, director of restrictions at PWC, secretary general at PWC, and I run my own NGO, जैसे अमित ने कहा, दायरा के नाम से, and I am the social media manager at Quran Initiative. I have been part in the school. I have been in the school for 12 years, and I have learned that leadership is not about titles. Positions का leadership based नहीं होती. It's about leaving a good impact on every person you meet. Your vote will shape your future. Your vote will shape your scholarships. Your vote matters. Vote for a person जिसके actually extracurriculars हैं. A head boy needs to be an all-rounder, not just sports. And talking about opportunities, Parker पे, if you guys not already know, Parker पे yearly 3 events होते हैं that take PT1, Einstein and PT Fest. And you guys need to participate in all those to groom yourself and be providing with opportunities. Moreover, we have talked to Sir Zayyab and we carry out an internship in an orphanage. And वहाँ fairly speaking कितने अच्छे टीचर्स नहीं होते. वहाँ इस्लामिक हिस्ट्री के बारे में नहीं बताया जाता, वहाँ आर्ट्स के बारे में नहीं बताया जाता, वहाँ साइंस के बारे में नहीं बताया जाता. So I want you guys to actually teach those students. And thirdly and lastly, we will carry out courses from the best university in the world, that being Harvard. Harvard में 500 courses होंगे, and we lead you guys, computer science students specifically, to take part in those courses, so that you guys have a basis to get into good universities. अगर एक बच्चा है उसके 8 साल हैं और एक और बच्चा है उसके 8 साल हैं, लेकिन उसने हार्वर्ड का कोर्स किया हुआ है, उसने एनजीओ का पार्ट किया हुआ है, एनजीओ में उसने बच्चों को टूल्स सिखाए हैं, तो द बिगेस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी इन द वर्ल्ड आपको 100% स्कॉलरशिप में भेजेगी. You can compare crore rupees and 0 rupees. You're studying for free. Lastly, this has been Abdurrahman Chima, the Secretary General, the Secretary Head Boy, and my science speech. I'll try doing a small activity. I say vote for and you say peach. Vote for peach. Vote for peach. Vote for peach. Thank you. I like to end my speech with a share of Iqbal. क्यों ज़ियाकार बनूं सूज़ फरामोश रहूं, क्यों ज़ियाकार बनूं फरामोश रहूं, फिक्रे फरदा न करूं, महफिल में गोश रहूं, नाले बुलबुल के सुनूं, नाले बुलबुल के सुनूं और हमतन गोश रहूं, हमनवा मैं भी कोई भूलूं के खामोश रहूं। शुक्रिया।